Supporting local business is a great way to stimulate our local economy and keep our community thriving. Here are some simple ways that you can help. Shop locally. This means buying goods and services from your neighborhood stores, not the big corporations. Spread the word. Tell your friends and family about great local spots. Buy gift cards and gift certificates. They make great gifts and they support local businesses. Attend local small business events and seminars. Show your support and learn more about what your community offers. Meet your local small business owners and employees. Get to know the people behind the businesses. Compared to chain stores, locally owned businesses recycle much larger share of their revenue back into the local economy, enriching the entire community. Locally owned businesses create more jobs locally and in some sectors offer better wages and benefits than chains. Do the right thing, support local business.